Many light engineering businesses do not fail because they cannot make products. They struggle because they remain trapped in low margin assembly, price competition, cash flow pressure, and limited market access. For a light engineering SMB, the real question is not only how do we manufacture more? The real question is how do we move from assembly to technology ownership, from domestic products to clean tech sectors, and from local manufacturing to export ready growth? Servotech Power Systems was built by Raman Bhatia, founder and managing director. The company did not begin as a large clean tech player. It started from a small engineering base in Delhi with a practical understanding of India's power problems, voltage fluctuations, grid instability, dark rural roads, and imported products that were not always built for Indian conditions. What makes this story powerful is the revenue journey. Around FY 2021, Servotech's revenue was near 86.9 crore rupees. It moved to around 87 crore rupees in FY 2022, 144 crore rupees in FY 2023, 278 crore rupees in FY 2024, and the resource notes consolidated revenue of 675.36 crore rupees in the latest phase. The growth did not come from making more of the same old product. It came from strategic pivots. The first question this case answers is, how does a light engineering SMB move beyond low-margin assembly? Many small manufacturers buy components, assemble locally, and compete only on price. Servotech's shift was different. The company moved toward owning the critical technology behind performance, including power electronics, LED drivers, PCB modules, and EV charger components. The second question is, are we engineering for real customer conditions? Servotech's opportunity came from Indian operating realities, voltage surges, tough usage conditions, infrastructure gaps, and the need for rugged products. This is where the case becomes important for SMBs. Do not design only for ideal conditions. Design for the field where the product must survive. This is why Raman Bhatia's view on R&D and future-ready green engineering becomes important. For Servotech, R&D was not a luxury. It was part of building products that could survive real market conditions. Produce green to live green. This patent recognition is a powerful validation of our R&D efforts. It accelerates our strategic push into future-ready energy solutions. The third question is, how can an engineering SMB pivot into a high-growth sector without building a completely new factory? Servotech's move into solar and EV charging was not a random jump. It came from reusing core capabilities, power electronics, control modules, thermal systems, and circuit engineering, and applying them to faster-growing clean tech markets. This shift was not only about entering a new product category. It was about building EV component capability inside India and using the Make in India opportunity to move up the value chain. Servotech has begun indigenous manufacturing of EV charger components, aligning with the Make in India initiative, further enhancing our role in India's clean energy and sustainable infrastructure sectors. The fourth question is, how do we manage cash flow while taking larger B2B or infrastructure opportunities? For light engineering SMBs, big contracts can look attractive, but raw material, production, credit cycles, and delayed payments can strain the factory. The practical lesson is clear: growth must be funded. Large projects need cash flow discipline, not just ambition. The fifth question is, how can an Indian light engineering SMB become trusted in export markets? Export growth is not only about shipping products abroad. International buyers need confidence in quality, consistency, testing, documentation, local support, and deployment. Servotica's global direction points to the importance of hubs, distributor partnerships, product trials, and local market access. At this stage, Raman Bhatia connects the company's local manufacturing base with a wider global ambition. Indian engineering, global partnerships, and clean mobility solutions built for international markets. Our focus is on local manufacturing, global partnerships, and cutting-edge technology, making Made in India a global standard for clean mobility solutions. Servotica's journey shows that export-ready engineering growth is built step by step. First, solve a real operating problem. Then own the technology that controls performance. Reuse your capability in adjacent growth markets. Protect cash flow while scaling. And build global trust through quality, partnerships, samples, and local market access. For light engineering SMBs, the takeaways are simple. Do not stay trapped in low-margin assembly. Own the critical technology that controls performance. Engineer for real field conditions. Reuse your capability to enter adjacent sectors. Protect cash flow before chasing large projects. And build export trust before expecting global scale. You do not have to start global to become global. Start by solving a real problem better than others. Build the capability customers can trust. Then use that trust to move from local manufacturing to export-ready growth.